We're in Madrid and we have this very interesting modernization. I believe these are CM buttons. B. Rodriguez. We can actually see it come down. Here it is.
Dime, hola.
Si quieres que me quede por aquí para acompañarme.
No pasa nada, se acaba bien el espacio.
All right, we're gonna go up and back down. B. Rodriguez. All right, and look, we actually have a view. They don't typically put windows in these when they replace them, so this is definitely a nice touch. Here we are at the top. See the button. There's that. All right, and then back down. These are your typical CM fixtures, I'm pretty sure. Although I don't know who makes those ones, and for 100% honesty, I still have to figure out that brand.
Okay.
And I guess the doors sit open. That will be it.